So Credit Suisse came up with 25 tech stocks they believe have strong earnings upside. Which are they? And more importantly, which of those fall into what I call my approved filtered list, which goes through all 10,000 UK, US and international companies listed on the US exchanges, which meet my criteria on valuation, its profitability relative to share price, revenue growth, cash flow and cash flow growth, specifically cash return on capital invested, and dividend yields, volatility, Sharpe and Sortino ratios, and outperformance of the markets measured by alpha. So a hell of a lot more stringent criteria than a Credit Suisse. Nevertheless, let's have a look. What names do they come up with, and did those meet my criteria? Western Digital didn't. And you can see the share prices over there. Accenture didn't either. Ansys wasn't on the list. Seagate did make the approved list. You can see with a lot of these, they've been beaten down quite a lot. That's down 25%. And again, Credit Suisse's reasons for this, they've put some of their reasons which we've copied over there, in particular earnings per share expectation changes and relative to year-to-date return. So they think there's a big gap between where the share price is and where the expectations earnings per share are. Applied Materials didn't make my filtered approved list. ServiceNow I've held previously when it was on my approved filtered list, but it isn't at the moment. CLAC approved filtered list. Intuit didn't make that list. Microchip Technology didn't either. Keysight Technologies did not either. Match Group, I'm afraid, didn't. In the past, some of these have been on my list. Well, this one definitely didn't, and it might be good enough for Credit Suisse. Didn't make mine. Autodesk I held up until March. 12 months are up. I hold my holdings for 12 months and then it's up, and that didn't make the list this year, and I've got already exited that one. Zebra Technologies, nope. PayPal, which I still hold and would agree with Credit Suisse on this one. And you might even say that number of 37%, as you can see here with NXP Semiconductors, is some expectation of where they think the price could go up. Even if that took 2 years in the current environment, that wouldn't be too bad. Qualcomm, yes. Lam Research I've held in the past. It's not 12 months are up, so it's no longer held because I hold all stocks at 12 months on probation and then they're out. Then we pick again afresh because the stock market does not move according to what's in my portfolio. There's not a causal link between the two. Nvidia no longer. EPAM Systems, not one I've come across and didn't make my list anyway. Micron, Etsy, not on the approved list. Advanced Micro Devices is on the approved list. It seems to come up quite a bit, this one, and you can see the numbers over there on that one. Ceridian, no. So which ones made it? It was these that made the approved filtered list. You can see it there. For free educational resources, have a look at my campaign for $1 million. Thank you very much.